Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share 5 CC3 Latino ladies for you. All of these Latino ladies are for Character Creator 3.4. And how to get all of this? What you need to do is just scroll down, go to my video descriptions, click the first link, download 5 Latino Female Pack 01 from Revolution Marketplace. Once you click into the link, it will link you to Revolution Marketplace to get the 5 Latino female pack 01s. So totally 5 of them, you can just get it for free, click to get the export license. Then it will automatically be able to download into your iClone 7 and Character Creator 3. Once you download it, it is 5 Latino female of CC3 project. And what you need to do is just open your Character Creator 3.4, open your CC 3.4 Character Creator 3.4. You open your CC3 and then you can just drag in any of the Latino female CC project into here. Just drag in, release your mouse, and choose replace or click OK. Next, you just need to wait for a while until it finishes loading. You can see now it finished loading. And you can do some modification here. Give this avatar a cloth. You can choose it from here. Click the shirt and give her a cloth. You can give her a pant as well. At here. Alright, all of these Latino girls, all of these Latino female, you can just send it to iClone 7. Click here to send it to iClone 7 to perform any of the 3D animations. You can send this avatar to Unreal Engine as well. If you want to make this avatar to become the main avatar of your Unreal Engine game project, or make her to become any of the NPC in your Unreal Engine, you can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions. I already put a tutorial link at there. The Character Creator 3 to Unreal Engines. This is a step-by-step tutorial to guide you how to import it into Unreal Engine to make her to become the main avatar and any of the NPC in your game. Alright, you can get these 5 avatars for free from Revolution Marketplace. And that's all for today about my sharing of the 5 Latino ladies where you can get it for free at here. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you loved my sharing and video tutorial, if you feel all this sharing and tutorial are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.